Question 1. How does the use of templates in word processing software enhance the efficiency and professionalism of document creation? Provide examples of situations where templates would be particularly useful. Answer. The use of templates in word processing software enhances efficiency by providing a pre-designed structure for documents, which saves time and ensures consistency. Templates come with preset formatting, styles, and layouts, allowing users to focus on content rather than design. This also ensures professionalism, as templates are often designed to meet industry standards. Examples 1. Business reports. Templates for business reports include predefined sections for executive summaries, introductions, methodologies, results, and conclusions, ensuring a professional appearance. 2. Resumes. Resume templates provide structured formats for highlighting work experience, education, and skills, making the resume visually appealing and easy to read. 3. Meeting agendas. Templates for meeting agendas help in organizing topics, speakers, and time slots efficiently, ensuring all important points are covered systematically. Question 2. Imagine you have a complex document with multiple sections that need different headers and footers. How would you use page styles in OpenOffice Writer to manage this requirement? Explain the steps and rationale. Answer. To manage different headers and footers in a complex document in OpenOffice Writer, you can use page styles to define unique styles for each section. Steps 1. Create new page styles. First go to Styles, Styles and Formatting, or press F11. Second, select the Page Styles tab. Third, right-click and choose New to create a new page style for each section needing different headers footers. 2. Define headers and footers. For each page style, define the specific header and footer content by going to Format, Page, Header Footer tabs. 3. Apply page styles. First, place the cursor at the beginning of the section needing a different header footer. Second, go to Format, Styles and Formatting. Then double-click the appropriate page style to apply it. Rationale. Using page styles ensures that each section's headers and footers are distinct and appropriately formatted. This method provides flexibility and maintains the document's structure without manual adjustments for each page. Question 3. Discuss the impact of text alignment choices, left, center, right, justify, on the readability and aesthetic appeal of different types of documents, such as business reports, flyers, and academic papers. Answer. 1. Left alignment, readability. Left-aligned text is the most readable format for long passages, as it provides a consistent starting point for each line, making it easy for the eye to track the text. Aesthetic appeal. It creates a clean, professional look, making it ideal for business reports and academic papers, where clarity and formality are important. To center alignment, readability. Center-line text can be harder to read in large blocks because the starting point of each line varies. This alignment is best suited for short lines or headings. Aesthetic appeal. It creates a symmetrical, balanced look, making it effective for titles, headings, and flyers where emphasis and visual impact are desired. 3. Right alignment, readability. Right-aligned text is generally less readable for long passages, as it disrupts the natural left-to-right reading flow. Aesthetic appeal. This alignment is useful for aligning specific elements like dates, signatures, or side notes in business documents, adding a distinctive, formal touch. 4. Justify alignment, readability. Justified text aligns both the left and right margins, creating a clean look but can introduce uneven spacing between words, which may affect readability, especially in narrow columns. Aesthetic appeal. It provides a neat, organized appearance, making it suitable for newspapers, magazines, and formal reports where a structured look is desired. Applications in different documents, business reports, left alignment ensures readability and professionalism. Justified alignment can be used for a polished, formal appearance. Flyers. Center alignment for headings and key points to draw attention, combined with left or justified alignment for detailed text. Academic papers. Left alignment for the main text for readability, with center alignment for titles and headings to highlight sections. Q4. Develop a training module for teaching the creation and customization of numbered and bulleted lists in OpenOffice Writer. Include examples of when each type of list would be most appropriate. Answer. Training module, creating and customizing numbered and bulleted lists in OpenOffice Writer. Objectives, understand the difference between numbered and bulleted lists. Learn how to create and customize lists. Content. 1. Introduction to lists. First, numbered lists, best for ordered sequences, such as instructions, steps in a process, or ranking items. Second, bulleted lists, ideal for unordered items, such as lists of features, topics, or key points. 2. Creating a numbered list. First, place the cursor where you want the list to start. Second, click on the numbering on-off button in the toolbar or go to Format, Lists, Numbering. Third, type the first item and press Enter to add the next item. 3. Customizing a numbered list. First, right-click on the list and select Bullets and Numbering. Second, choose a number format and adjust settings as needed. Example, Start Number, Level, Dot, 4. Creating a bulleted list. First, place the cursor where you want the list to start. Second, click on the Bullets on-off button in the toolbar or go to Format, Lists, Bullets. Third, type the first item and press Enter to add the next item. 5. Customizing a bulleted list. First, right-click on the list and select Bullets and Numbering. Second, choose a bullet style and adjust settings as needed. Example, Symbol, Level, Dot. Examples, 1. Numbered list. Steps to complete a project, recipe. Instructions, agenda items. 2. Bulleted list, list of features in a product. Discussion points, brainstorming ideas. Question 5. Propose a method for integrating tables, images, and text wrapping in a newsletter designed in OpenOffice Writer. How can these elements be combined effectively to maintain visual appeal and readability? Answer. To integrate tables, images, and text wrapping in a newsletter using OpenOffice Writer, follow these steps. 1. Insert and format a table. First, place the cursor where the table should be inserted. Second, go to Table, Insert Table. Third, define the number of rows and columns and click OK. Fourth, use the table properties to adjust borders, shading, and alignment. To insert and format images, first, place the cursor where the image should be inserted. Second, go to Insert Picture from File and select the image. Third, use the picture properties to resize and position the image. Fourth, set text wrapping options by right-clicking on the image and selecting Wrap. Example, Wrap Around, Wrap Through. 3. Combine elements with text wrapping. First, position images next to or within the table to complement the text. Second, adjust text wrapping settings to ensure that text flows around images and tables smoothly. Third, use columns to create a structured layout, making sure that each section is visually distinct. Effective combination. Visual appeal. Ensure images are relevant and of high quality. Align them with related text to create a cohesive look. Readability. Use tables to organize data clearly. Ensure text wrapping does not obstruct readability by maintaining adequate spacing around elements. Consistency. Use consistent formatting for tables and images. Apply the same text wrapping style throughout the newsletter for a unified appearance.